guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I want to present you my newest bag from this year Louis Vuitton collection, and it's again a beautiful capucine, guys. So just take a look at this beautiful baby out here. This is my absolute favorite bag right now for the summer. It is in size mini and I am in love with it because even the size is very small. My phone, my keys and also my wallet all are fitting in, and I can take this bag everywhere with me. The color is amazing. It's like a mint green color, guys. I cannot describe the beauty of this color to you. I fell in love the minute I saw the bag. And also it is a very classic and uniform bag. As you can see, there is no other color than this mint color and the beautiful golden hardware. I will show this to you a little bit later, but this combination of gold and mint is an absolute eye catcher. I fell in love with it, and also I find this bag is so elegant and chic, but at the same time you can match it to casual outfits. So this is the bag for everything, guys. As for the leather is very soft and very smooth. I think it should be like lamb leather, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I love that this is like, you cannot get a lot of scratches on it. The leather is very smooth, but the scratches cannot be really seen. I love this. Also, I like that you have like this beautiful opening out here, which you can see. You can open and then lock it again. This is amazingly, and it's also very easy. I love to handle this bag. I have a lot of space inside. I will show you this also in a minute. But first I want to talk to you about the hardware. So again, we have the golden hardware. I am in love with gold hardware. As you know me, I like to wear gold, and also I love this beautiful Louis Vuitton logo at the front, which is like embellished with this leather again, so you have just a little bit of golden accents. Again, here at the side we have again the golden hardware. Here you can lock this the strap. I will show you this in a minute also. And here again we have the same thing, and also these beautiful golden points out here on the hardware on the side. It looks very shiny and very chic, and it really matches the Louis Vuitton style, guys. So now I will show you the leather inside. As I told you, you can easily open this bag, and again here you have the golden hardware again, but this is a little bit hidden as it is most of the time inside the bag. And yeah, in the inside, guys, you can see this beautiful pink, like baby pink color. This is such a beautiful color matching between this beautiful mint and this beautiful baby pink. I am in love with it, and I would also like to have like a capucine only in like this baby pink color. Maybe they will bring one out one time, but the inside of the bag is really nice. Here you have like a little spot where you can put your cards inside, or also here you have like two departments where you can put like your phone, your wallet or your keys or anything you want to take with you. And this bag really has a lot of space inside, even though you wouldn't think that it has, but it really does. And this is why I love this bag, because this is my little baby right now. I wear it all the time. I just bought it, but I'm wearing it like all day long, and I have such happiness when I'm walking with it. This is my absolute favorite. And what I also really like to do is to use this beautiful strap, which has the matching color, guys. Like it has this beautiful mint color, and here we have a part with a little bit of golden hardware. This looks amazingly, and also those parts are done by hand, so this is like really handmade work, guys. You really have to appreciate it. It takes a lot of time, and it looks amazing. You can just pop this thing inside this, like on the side, and the same you're doing on the other side, like this. And then you have a beautiful capucine with a beautiful strap. Look at this beauty, guys. This is like amazing. It looks exceptional. It looks elegant and so classy. I have never seen such an interesting colors of a bag. Like, I saw the capucine in many colors, like in red, in white, in black, or in dark blue, but this is really a special colors. And as I told you, you can find it at this year's Louis Vuitton collection. The price is like 4,500 euros. I bought it right in the store in Berlin, so this is a typical price for the mini capucine bags. You can get the capucine bags also in other sizes, like in size BB or the medium or big size, I think they are, but this one only exists in this mini size and I love it. I'm really amazed by this work of Louis Vuitton with this beautiful capucine. And I think what really is so nice about this bag is that on the bottom of the bag, this one has those safety features out here. Also in gold color, it matches the bag perfectly and it cannot get scratched when you're like putting the bag maybe on the ground or on the seats. It cannot be scratched. So yeah, guys, this bag is my ultimate must-have at the moment. I will wear it all summer long and I will definitely keep it forever because it became one of my most favorite bags. I also love the handle right here because, you know, I like to keep my bags like on the handle in my hand, but sometimes I want to be a little bit more practical when I go shopping or when I'm just walking outside. I want to use this strap, so this bag gives you both options, guys, and this is so amazing. So yeah, guys, this was my review about my newest mini capucine. I would recommend this bag to any girl of you because you can match it with your skirts, with your dresses. You can match it with casual jeans or also with a more elegant dress style. And also you can go with it everywhere. You can go to dinner, you can go to work with this bag, or also just on a beautiful walk or a shopping trip. You can use it everywhere, guys. So this is a must-have. I would recommend it to all of you. Maybe Louis Vuitton will bring out a little bit more different colors in this pastel mode, but this one is my favorite until now. So let's see what Louis Vuitton has for us for the future. So guys, this was my review. I hope you liked it. So if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos and comment them.